Hello, this is Jerry with the Tesla Owners Club of Nebraska, coming to you today to show you how to install a Tesla wall connector with Elon Musk Signature Edition. If you're not a certified electrician, very handy or immortal. This is not something I would recommend. There is a great danger of electrocution. So make sure that you have all your codes, design, everything is thought through prior to just going to purchase one of these. I fortunately have a extra electrical panel from my Powerwall installation, and it's going to go right here, so it's going to be pretty easy for me to do.
Alrighty, here are the unwrapped contents of my Elon Signature wall charger. I've also opened my electrical panel and opened the knockout that I'm going to use to run the wires through. Alrighty, so I have ran the conduit and the 90 and hung my wall charger backplate. So I unfortunately did not have a great stud location to hit where I was located, but I did use some 75-pound anchors. I think this is critical as this is where the cord is going to be reeled up and it's going to have some weight on it, so we need to make sure that you're hitting a stud preferably, or you're improvising with some really good anchors, some spring anchors or something to that extent. I'm going to finish running my wire and then throw my breaker in. Alrighty, we have taken our covers off. There's a provided Torx drive for the T10 and T20s that are holding the covers on, and then there's just a flat blade screwdriver to take the top cover off. And then we were just getting ready to mount this on our pedestal, which we have all wired up. And we have our wires ready to land the breaker. And we'll be right back.
Alrighty, so we're all finished. Here's the excellent Elon high power wall charger. Inside, once you have that base mounted, there's 2 screws on each side to tighten down, and there'll be 3 wires that stick through. Loosen the terminals before you stick the little tabs in there, because you got to open that up and then tighten it down. And there's also 2 dip switches that should be set if your house is a normal house. If it's not, please read the manual about the voltages, and then also set your 1 through A, B, C, D, E for your breaker sizing. Also, breakers installed. This is the 100 amp. This car will only do 48 amps, but my new Tesla truck will do more, I'm assuming. And so I wanted to make sure this was sized for my future. So turn it on, everything went to normal. I'm going to try my Model 3 here. Alright, so far so good, no fires.
Alrighty, we've counted up to the glorious 48 amps. Everything is looking normal. And we're good to go. Thank you for watching.